Hi friends, today we are going to Shahenshah to do some exclusive men's shopping. They have a menswear showroom on the first floor. Welcome to Shahenshah. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I'm sure everybody is doing good. Well, today we have come to Shahenshah at Putswakam to do some men's shopping. Today we are going to see some exclusive big sizes for men. In this video we are going to see exclusively only plus sizes for men. At Shahenshah we specialize in menswear plus sizes also. Other than the usual sizes which we have, we also do have a complete range in plus sizes. Shirts are available from sizes 36 to 50. Yes, you heard me right. Shirts are available in sizes 36 from sizes 36 to 50. T-shirts are also available from sizes 36 to 50. Pants are also available from sizes 28 to 50. So in this video we are going to see about shirts. In plus size shirts we have formals and casuals. So in this video we are going to see some formal shirts in plus sizes, starting with size 46 and 48. The shirts what you're seeing now are all formal shirts. We have sizes 46 and 48 in brands Otto, Pan America and cuff and collar shirts. All these shirts are formal shirts as well as casual wear. The shirt what you're seeing now is a Otto striped shirt. This is a comfort fit shirt. All our shirts of size 46 and 48 are comfort fit. They are easy to wear and comfortable on the fit, and they look good and you feel good. Shirts are priced very reasonably from rupees 695. Size 46 and 48 are priced very reasonably starting from prices 695. These formal shirts what you are seeing now are made up of 70% cotton and 30% polynoxic. The shirts are very comfortable. The fabric is very skin friendly. You can call these shirts wrinkle free shirts also. You can just wash them and put it to dry on a hanger and there will be very few wrinkles. So you can just wear them without even ironing them. So if you're in a hurry to attend a meeting, you can just wash and wear them without ironing them. The shirts are available in half sleeves and full sleeves. We have full sleeves and half sleeve shirts in plus sizes. Formal shirts start from rupees 695 and they go up to rupees 1295. So the next shirt what I'm going to show you is a cuff and collar shirt. The specialty about cuff and collar shirts are that they are pure cotton. Let's see cuff and collar shirt. This is a complete party wear range which we'll be seeing shortly once we finish the cuff and collar range formal shirt. Yes, now we have come to the most favorite brand of everybody. Cuff and collar shirts. These shirts are made of 100% cotton fabric. Yes, you heard me right. It's 100% cotton fabric. I'm not joking. You can read it yourself. It's 100% cotton. Size 48. Cuff and collar shirts have a very good loosing. They are made in such a way that they fit everybody very comfortably. The fitting of plus size, the fitting of cuff and collar shirts in size 46 and 48 is the best among all the brands of what we have. This feedback is not given given by me, but it's given by our customers. They tell us that cuff and collar shirts are the most comfortable of all because they fit very well, and the fabric of cuff and collar is very good. They are made up of pure cotton fabric, so they are very comfortable in all climate conditions. You are going for a marketing, you are traveling in the bike all through the year, you are working outside or you're working inside the office. These shirts are suitable for Chennai climate, because in Chennai most of the year it's always very hot. So these shirts are very suitable for the Chennai climate. These are pure cotton shirts and they have a very good comfort fit. Every customer is very happy once they buy this. We have such loyal customers that they come to us specially only for this particular brand. Coming to the price of the shirts, usually if you buy a cotton shirt in a regular size, let's say 38 or 40, you are going for a formal shirt in size even 38-40. Usually cotton shirts cost you around 1,000 rupees, 1,100. But this brand is giving you size 46 and 48 shirts for the same price of the 38-40 size. Can you believe it? They make pure cotton shirts and their prices are the most reasonable. They're very reasonable on the price. Let's example say this particular shirt, how much it costs. This shirt costs only rupees 1,400. It's a pure cotton shirt. Let me show another one. This one. This shirt costs rupees 1,265. We also have a nice white shirt, a self-striped white shirt or a self-color blue. So there are shirts for everybody. You prefer checks, plain, you prefer stripes. We have shirts for all in this size. And trust me, whoever buys this shirt, they are going to stick on to this particular brand forever. Because number one, they are pure cotton. Number two, they have a very good fit. Number three, this shirt is always going to keep you cool and comfy. Coming to the most exciting part, we are going to see some lovely party wear shirts. Yes, you heard me right. It's party wear shirts in sizes 46 and 48. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, I'm sure you're shocked to see this. The entire shirts what you're seeing here, this complete range of shirts, all these shirts are exclusively size 46 and 48. We also do have the similar patterns in size 38 and 44. But for you, we always want to bring the best for you. Even plus sizes should come in different kinds of shirts. So, presenting you the party wear range in size 46 and 48. Let's check out the party wear shirts. This fabric is a linen cotton shirt which has a very nice design here, and also on the collar you have this design. It also has a design on the shoulder. On the shoulder alone it carries the same design. It looks very classy and sober with a small patch on the pocket also. Let's open a few shirts and see how they look. I love blues. Let's see this shirt. Looks very beautiful, classy. Senior. You heard it right. Senior shirts for everyone. Senior is one of the top brands in party wear shirts. They make the best and they are the first to come out with latest designs. And yes, we have Senior shirts at Shahenshah, and the brand specially makes plus size shirts for us. Look at this shirt. This is a nice cotton linen fabric. It looks very classy. You have this center piping here running all throughout. This is a blue color piping, and they have given you can stitch here. So over here, over here, over here, and also on the cuff you have this design here. So you have seen so you can see this particular design over here, and they have given a look here. So it's a very classy design, looks very sober and stylish. So this particular brand also makes makes party wear shirts in a very comfort fit. Their fitting is such that it makes the person look very smart and very good. They fit very nice on your body and they make you look good. Let's see the other shirt. Wow, what an amazing range of party wear shirts at Shahenshah. I'm very surprised to see such a wide range of shirts in sizes 46 and 48. Usually we never get to see sizes 46 and 48 only. But here at Shahenshah, we are getting to see such an amazing variety of shirts in size 46 and 48. If you are a user of 46 and 48 shirts, if you are a plus size buyer, just subscribe to our channel and like this video. We will update you with new updates on plus size clothing very often on our channel. So let's see the next design of party wear shirt. The first we saw was the blue. The next, let's see the white color. Very beautiful white. White, which is always a very cool color, a natural color, looks classy for all occasions. See, this white shirt has a patch running at the center and has a little patchwork around the collar. The same patchwork is also seen on the cuff. So this is a very sober design, very elegant design, makes you stand apart from the crowd. You're very lucky that you're getting such shirts in size 46 and 48. The material is a nice cotton linen fabric, very comfortable on your skin. Let's see the other shirt what we have. Which one shall I show you? There are so many. Which one would you like to see? Okay, let's see this color. This color looks very nice. Wow, such a nice shade. The white what we saw here comes in other color. This is the other color in the same design. You can always match a similar color of pant and wear with this shirt. It looks very good. This is a brown color. The one what you saw is a blue. So if you wear a pant matching with the blue color, this will go very well with it. Similar to this is a brown color strap. So if you wear the brown pant with this, you can wear a brown jeans or a brown cotton pant or a formal pant. It will look very elegant and classy. The material is similar to the one we saw, the white, the cotton linen fabric. See, since it's size 46 and 48, the shirts are made in a very sober way so that it's very attractive to everybody. They don't make it very jazzy. So the colors are all light colors, very sober, rich shades, which make you look good and feel good. I'm sure you're very happy to see an excellent range of party wear shirts in 48 and size 46. Now, coming to the pricing, usually size 46 and 48 are very hard to get. And if you find them also, you might find them to be very overpriced. But don't worry, we don't overprice our customers. Our prices are priced like the usual sizes of 38 and 40. So the pricing is very similar to them. You will be surprised if I tell you the prices of these party wear shirts. They are unbelievable price. You want to see the price? Let's see. The price of all these shirts what you're seeing now is only rupees 1275. I repeat, all the prices of the shirts are rupees 1275. One price for all shirts, 1275. of all the shirts 1275. These shirts are available in full sleeves only. The party wear shirts what you're seeing now come only in full sleeves. They don't come in half sleeves. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do like and press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Do share the video among your friends if your friends and family members are looking for party wear shirts or formal shirts in plus sizes. Thank you so much. We'll be back with our next range of exciting pant collections in jeans, cotton pants, formal trousers in sizes 40 to 50 exclusively only at Shahenshah. Signing off. Take care. Bye bye.